Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from HTC U12 Plus. So in the first step, let's open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the Fax app. Choose EasyFax, install it and open. Now allow permission and show again the 3 clicks banner. You have to restart the application. Now click on the plus and choose source of your document, like a song from gallery. Select your photo or the document and click on the import. Now you can add this as shape to your document or the picture. If you're ready, click on the arrow icon and then you can choose the filter for the photo to make it more visible. If you're ready, click on the accept icon, type the number in this place and choose the candidate from the list. After that, just click on this button to send the message, and this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.